Alright, so I'm going to show you how I did this beautiful tumbler. Pretty much going to show you. So this is assuming that you can get this far without me telling you how to do this. This is just a glittered and epoxy base. I just put glitter randomly, just like where I wanted the flowers to go. So like the monsteras are that lime green, and then the pink for the flowers, and then I have like this kind of blue for like filler color, and for the other plant, the random plants. So, you know, it starts out looking pretty ugly and stupid, but there's a method to the madness. And then this one I'm doing blue flowers instead of pink. So, as you can see, it starts off looking real dumb and ugly, but it gets better, I promise, because the power wash makes it all pretty. So, this is my sheet of removable vinyl. You want it to be removable, 631, or if you're doing, this is Cricut, so it's just the stuff that says, that's backwards, but it's removable vinyl, because you want to be able to take it off. So, you know, other than placing it where the colors are, there's no super rhyme or reason to it, just kind of make it look good. And these have 2 coats of epoxy on it to make it smooth. There's still some shards, it's not like totally smooth, but you don't want to sand it before you spray paint it, because it might, the sanding marks might show after you spray paint. So it's really not a huge deal if you have some shards, because your vinyl isn't permanent, so it's fine if it's bumpy, because it's not going to show. And as long as there's no, what's it called, fish eyes, your spiky stuff isn't going to show through the spray paint enough to matter. Hi, Ray. My dog's saying hi. So I'm going to start with this one, and I'm going to stick on some stuff. Okay. You know, I don't know what brand this is. I'm pretty sure I got it on 631, or no, what is it called? Whatever 651 vinyl turned into now. Pretty sure I got this from them. But this is the most amazing transfer tape I've ever used. And I really wish I knew what it was so I could reorder it. So I have different size monsteras, and I have different size splotches of green. So, you know, kind of plan accordingly. And we're back. Toddler took the phone and turned it off. So, got the leopard print finished. Here's what I'm going with. Let's power wash. Gotta do some test sprays. I'm just doing a few. And now we spray paint. Okay, here's what it looks like freshly dunked. And then I'm gonna peel it off. I'm gonna hit this spot just a tiny bit because that flour didn't get covered all the way with enough white. So let's see if I can just kind of get it. Yeah, okay. Now we are on to the peeling vinyl process after this dries. Okay, so this is dry now. So, sorry, I'm trying to fix the brightness. So now it's the fun part of peeling the vinyl off. I say it's dry and you see water, but that's from the sponge inside. So you just peel it off. Alright, so I've peeled all of the vinyl off, and this is what it's looking like. So as you can see, there's going to be a lot of stuff open to interpretation as far as where stuff goes. Like here was a leaf, and then this was leopard print. And another one right here that wasn't super great, so you kind of just get to do whatever. So the next step is to throw this under epoxy, and I didn't do anything cute for the bottom. I don't know, I'll figure something out, but I didn't do a decal. So put this under epoxy, and then we'll do the next step. Okay, so we are gonna work on the blue one. This is epoxied with nothing else done to it yet. So let's start with the flowers. And I have all of my outlines already cut out and ready to go. So we just are gonna have to apply them real quick. I'm sorry, I don't have a, again, I don't know where my camera holder is, so you just gotta deal with these weird angles. So you just take your cup and line it up. And apply it. And I got these metallic vinyls on Amazon. There's like different packs and stuff. So yeah, that's how that one looks. This green one, it like glows extra bright under like a blue light or a black light. It's really cool. Oh, sorry, I dropped my flowers. Okay. So we'll apply the other flowers real fast. Okay, so we have all the flowers done. I only did 4. And now we can move on to these guys. I like seeing the different colors, and actually I'm going to do a purple version for my daughter for a little water cup for her because she loves purple. I'm going to move the camera so that you guys can see me positioning these, so that you know it's not witchcraft and that it actually is possible to get it all lined up. Okay, that's precarious, but better. You're just like hanging off the edge right now, but okay. So I'm going to do this one. And see how it's not like totally perfect right there? I mean, you can poke this and change it if you want, and like right here kind of went different, and it's because when I weeded this, it got a little wonky. So you can take tweezers or whatever and move it around if you want. Please ignore my ugly, gross craft hands. I'm not one of the people who can have a manicure, so I definitely am really impressed with cup makers who are able to have a manicure, because I cannot. I'll break a nail in like 2 seconds. I'm always breaking my nails. My real nails. Okay, now this one got pretty wonky when I was weeding it. So I'm definitely gonna have to do some tweaking, I think. You gotta play? Now you could totally still just do the outlines for the leopard, but I like the hand-drawn look, so that's what I did. But, you know, you do whatever. Whatever you want. So this is the brand that I use for the leopard. These are called paint marker pens. And you just wanna trace them. I'm happy with this. So the last step is just to epoxy it. And then it's done. And then it'll be shiny like this one. And again, if you want to add a name, you can just do the double offset. I still have to add vinyl to this one. Yeah, I hope you learned something. I hope you don't think it's a totally hideous cup. And I would love to see your guys' version of it. So yeah, thanks for watching.